One of the responsibilities of the director of photography is to review the dailies. And what dailies are is the footage that you shot the prior day. It will go through the lab, get transferred to video, and then sent back to you either on a tape or on a DVD.
It allows you to see what you shot the night before or the day before, so that if you're going back to that set the next day, if you've missed anything, you can pick it up and you can get it before you actually leave that location and have to come back. Because it costs a lot more money to come back than to grab it the next day.
What I'm looking for is making sure that exposure is right, we have the coverage that we need, the lighting is correct. Any other problems will show itself in the dailies.
But it's really about performances, looking at the dailies to see if you're going for any sort of effect with filters or any sort of in-camera effect. It's to make sure that those are all coming off seamlessly.
The dailies process also can be a ego booster to myself and also for the crew and for everybody involved, because they can see that we're creating art, that we're creating something, that all this hard work is actually paying off.
On big game, we did have dailies. We did on occasion get them the day after we shot them. Didn't always. We really pushed to get the dailies the next day, the first day, because if there was any issue with the camera, we would instantly smoke it out. With a one-week schedule, there wasn't a whole lot of time. We were moving locations every day, so if we didn't get it, it was almost too bad. But there were, because of our location fell out, and we had to push that to later in the schedule, it allowed us, it was about a month gap between the pickup, the actual shoot and the pickup day, which allowed us to actually cut the movie together and see if we needed to have any pickup shots to tell any more of the story that we needed to tell while we had crew and camera.
Now, a pickup day could mean a couple of different things, and the way that I will explain to you is that, let's say, for example, you shoot a scene and you weren't able to pick up a close-up of a person turning the doorknob, stepping over the $100 bill, and sliding on the banana pillage on your way out the door. You got all the main shots, but you didn't get the close-ups of that. Pickup day would be going back and shooting the close-up of the handle, the stepping over the close-up of the $100 bill and slipping on the close-up of the banana peel on the floor. Basically, you're cleaning up the scene. You're getting those extra bits and pieces of the shot so the scene will work properly.
Reshoots and pickups are saving grace. It's usually those pickup shots that make all the difference in the world.